It's Elijah Mhlanga, Chief Director, Communications at the Department of Basic Education in Pretoria, also responsible for provincial communication. In matric, it's a very important grade in grade 12. It's not easy ukufika kuyona, baningi abangafiki kuyona. Siyazi ukuthi ama statistics wethu ayasibonisa ukuthi iningi labo baphelela ku grade 10, 11. Babe bancane abafika ku grade 12. So uma ufikile ku grade 12 fanele ujabule for many reasons, because i-dropout rate yasikhupha e-South Africa. So sithi kubo bonke nje abafundi abasesikoleni fanele uhlale esikoleni uthole indlela ukuthi ufunde uzuqede isikole. Kodwa uthisha nabo kufanele bakusekele bakunikeze zonke izinto ozidingayo ukuze ukwazi ukufunda kahle uqede imfundo yakho. Laba aku grade 12 sithi kubona sebahambe ibanga elide, you've come too far ukuthi you can change your mind now. Bakhona abaregister bangabhali. We find them in the system every year. So sithi don't do that. Once ufikile hlala ubhale. Abanye babhala baseyibhedlela, siyabasiza noma yikuphi laba babhala bakhona. Abanye siyazi ukuthi sihamba sobathola emajele sibanikeza ama-exam papers babhale. Into ebalulekile nje ukuthi ubhale uthole umatric wakho, ngoba baningi esibabonayo ababuyayo bafuna ukubhala umatric. Sekudlula iminyaka eminingi babona ukubaleka kwayo. So sithi uma uku-grade 12 manje yenza konke okusemandleni akho ukuthi ubhale ube at least no-matric wakho. So zikhona izinto ongazenza, hlangana nabanye abafana nawe ngomqondo nikwazi ukuthi nifundisane, nisupportane. Eyesibili, zama ukuthola ama-past question papers, because azokusiza ukubona ukuthi i-exam ima kanjani, iphuma kanjani, ama-questions abuzwa kanjani. Okunye-ke uloko ukuthi uzinakekele, ungayenzi izinto ezokwenza uzithole ulimele, uthole ushonile, into ezinjalo. Njengoba sibona abanye abantu abasha abangaphili isikhathi eside ngendaba ye-risky behavior. So kufanele uzinakekele, kufanele ube njalo nje, ube ne-plan empilweni yakho, uzitshele ukuthi eminyakeni ethize nansi izinto okufanele uzifinyelele kwawena. Kodwa-ke nasemndenini siyacela ukuthi sisekele intsha yethu, ngoba without support they can't go far. They need motivation, they need support, they need guidance. So ngaso sonke isikhathi we need to make sure ukuthi we tell them to focus on their studies. If the exam figure, they need to focus on their exams. It's not about exam, it's about your life. The certificate is just a passport to the next phase in the lawyer. You just need to understand that.